Number 4, a bakery made 9 cakes using 3 bags of flour. The bakery uses the same relationship between cakes made and the amount of flour used to make all their cakes. Which table shows the relationship between the number of cakes the bakery makes to the number of bags of flour the bakery uses? So it says in our clues that the bakery makes 9 cakes and they use 3 bags of flour. Okay, so we want to see which one of these tables represents this relationship. 9 cakes, 3 bags of flour. So let's just look for 9 cakes and 3 bags of flour in the charts. So up here, do we see 9 cakes? Do we see 3 bags of flour? There's 3 bags of flour, but there's only 1 cake made with 3 bags of flour. That's a lot of flour in one cake. If you think about it. Okay, look at the second one. Let's look for 9 and 3. Here's 9 cakes and 3 bags of flour. All right, so that's a possibility. Look at the next one. Here's 9 cakes and 3 bags of flour. And then this last one doesn't have an option for 9 cakes or 3 bags of flour. This one says 7 bags of flour in 1 cake. That would be really bad. That'd be like a brick. Okay, so let's look at these 2 options. Okay, this one was out. This one's out. But let's look at these 2 options. Let's see if the ratio is consistent across the chart, because it says that they use the cakes made and the amount of flour used to make all of their cakes remains the same. The relationship is the same. So let's look at that. Would this one be the same or would this one be the same? So let's look and see if there's a pattern here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There's a pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a pattern. What about over here? Is there a pattern? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, it goes up by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That goes up by 1s. But let's look a little further. Look a little deeper. Would it be consistent if we use 3 bags of flour and 9 cakes? If we simplify that, let's simplify 9 over 3. They both have a 3 in common. And so that would be 3 cakes with 1 bag of flour. So we could also look for 3 cakes, 1 bag of flour. Now let's take this simplified ratio and look at these 2 charts. Okay, this first one says 3 cakes, 1 bag of flour. This one says 7 cakes, 1 bag of flour. So this one does not match. This one's out. And this is our answer choice. Answer choice B.